Hi and welcome back to our video article series, All Your D365F&O Reporting Options in One Place. If you haven't already watched the previous introductory video, you might want to do that first. In this video, I will present the first solution that Microsoft built into D365F&O, which is SSRS. SSRS stands for SQL Server Reporting Services, which is a standard generic Microsoft solution for reporting. Remember the 5 reporting tasks or elements that I've listed in the introductory video. In the SSRS solution overview, I will explain how each of those 5 reporting tasks is solved in SSRS. After the SSRS solution overview, I will demonstrate a common scenario, modifying report data source and design for the sales invoice report and then emailing the report to customer. Through this demo, I will point out the most significant pain points associated with this tool. The 5 common reporting elements are presented here: data source, format design, document generation, document distribution, and finally the management of all these elements. Data source in SSRS can be one of 3 different types, but the vast majority of reports have one of these 2 types. Query means that the developer creates and maintains an AOT query, which produces the report data source in the form of the query result set. Data provider class is a piece of code that developer creates. Majority of public-facing documents are data provider based because there is a heavy logic involved that cannot be achieved by merely connecting the tables in the query. So we established that a developer is responsible for this step, creating and maintaining the report data source. Format design is created and maintained in a tool called SSRS Designer. It is a tool for a developer available as part of Visual Studio. Just to give you an idea of the reporting scope, there are above 1,000 ready-made SSRS reports in D365F&O. Because SSRS is Microsoft's generic reporting solution, not specifically developed for D365F&O, its main component resides externally on the SSRS server. Documents are therefore generated on this external SSRS server. There are 5 print destinations that are supported by SSRS. We've already listed them in the previous video. They are print archive, screen, printer, file, and email. Print destinations are configured through user interface. And finally, how do you manage all these elements? Out of 1,000 plus ready-made SSRS reports in D365F&O, about 40 are so-called print management reports, which means that they are supported by print management. And print management gives some possibilities for managing the reports through user interface. Other than that, majority of reports require the code-based configuration. Data source, format design, and oftentimes configuration and management require the development tools and are done by a developer. But requirements are given by end users. And typically, end users don't have a direct contact with the developer. There is usually a middleman in the shape of a functional consultant. These 3 roles are involved in every SSRS report change request.